To fix camera on laptop Windows 11, including if it's not working on any app, first test the camera. Click in search, type camera, click on open. If it works in camera app but not on Zoom meeting or Teams or browser, the problem might be in app permission or app settings. To fix it, click on start, open settings. On the left side, click on privacy and security. Scroll it down, click on camera. First, make sure camera access is on. Then check the option is on with the app you're using. If this method does not work for you, then check the camera setting page in Windows 11. Click on Start, open Settings. On the left side, click on Bluetooth and Device. Select Camera. In Connected Cameras, click on your camera. Make sure the camera is not disabled. Hopefully this will fix your issue. If not, check out the playlist of other methods. Link is given in the description. That's all for today. See you in the next video.